Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll do the part 2. In that we'll see question number 3. So draw a line AB and draw another line CD parallel to AB at a distance of 4 centimeter from it. So I haven't done the construction for this one because we have question number 4. So here it's the same. That draw a line PQ and draw another line parallel to PQ at a distance of 3.5 centimeter. So if you understand this one, you can easily do this question number 3. So now let me explain to you question number 4. Draw a line PQ and draw another line parallel to PQ at a distance of 3.5 centimeter from it. So this is the construction. So now let us see the steps of construction. So we'll draw, first thing we will draw the line PQ. We'll take you can take any distance and draw a line PQ. So then you will take any points on PQ, that is, now I have labeled this as A and B. So now what will you do with the help of compass? You will make it to 90 degrees. So now you can see here PA, and you will take here one point, that is E. So that should be constructed as 90 degree. To construct as 90 degree, you will take this, you will keep your compass over here. You will draw an arc. So now from this one, taking this arc, you will take the same distance and you will cut this arc into 2. So taking this as center, you will draw one arc over here. Then taking this as center, you will draw an arc over here. And you will join this A, and this will be the line. So this will be 90 degree. Same you will do for B. You will draw an arc. You will cut this arc into 2 parts. So taking this as center, you will draw an arc over here. Taking this as center, you will draw an arc over here. So you will join the line. So this will be 90 degree. So now they have said, so the construction of 90 degree is done. So now they said, draw a line PQ and draw another line parallel to PQ at a distance. So now we want already we have drawn this one. So we want to draw a line over here, this one that is parallel. Before that, what we have to do, at a distance of 3.5 centimeter from it, means now we have already drawn this perpendicular line. So you will take, with the help of a compass, you will take 3.5 centimeter and you will keep a compass over here and you will cut it at this point. So that will be from here to here, this is 3.5. Same you will do for here. You will take 3.5, the same distance, and you will cut this one. So now you can see this is one line and this is one, means this is the point of intersection. Same here. So this is the point of intersection. So you will join this line. So this will be the parallel line, that is CD. So you can see here, this is the construction given, the steps of construction. Same thing, whatever I have explained is here. So now here, draw any 2 parallel lines using the idea of equal corresponding angles. So these are the steps of construction given, and this is the construction. So now what will you do? You will draw AB. So this is the AB. Then the second point is that the second step, take any point outside AB and mark it as E. So we'll take any point over here, anywhere you can take it, and you can mark it at E. Take any point on AB and mark it as P. So one point we'll take here on this one, AB, and mark it as P. You can mark anything. I have just marked this P and E. You can put any alphabet. And then you are going to join this line. So after that one, see, take joint EP. So that is what I said. Take suitable distance and draw an arc from P and mark as R and Q. So you will take your compass, keep your compass over here, take suitable distance, and you will draw an arc over here, and this mark as R and Q. You can do this also, you can change to any other alphabet. The same distance you will take from this point, and whatever you have taken this distance, the same thing you will draw here, this arc, and you will cut this arc here. So now you can see this point and this point. So this, after cutting out this one, So this is going to be here. So you're going to draw one line, and this will be parallel to AB. So we can name this as CD. So this is what is given over here. Draw an arc from point E, taking same distance as arc cut FG, and draw a parallel line joining E and G, and mark this parallel line as CD. So by this one, we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of other parts. Thank you.